you would like to speak to our expert staff, it couldn't be easier. Just visit JobsOnline, and on the landing page you'll see a book an appointment image, and under the drop down you have book appointments and search appointments here. When you click into our appointment booking system, it will tell you the different types of appointments we have. You can click find out more for more information on those, and then you can click view appointments to see our availability. Here you can see the dates of those appointments, the times, the advisor you would speak to, and the location. Remember, we offer online and face-to-face appointments. Now, when you click book, that will put it into your calendar. If you go onto the landing page here, you can see that you've got your appointments tab here. This is where your calendar appears. Here you can see the date of appointments, the type of appointments you've booked, and all the additional information you need. You can also see historic appointments that you've had, should you wish to continue seeing the same advisor, or look at the types of appointments that you've had as well. Remember, we're here to help you as much as possible, and you can book appointments while you study with us and for up to 5 years after graduation. Graduate Futures exists to get you to where you need to be. So if you need to book an appointment, visit JobsOnline, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.